Morning, everybody. Today is part 2 of the headliner install. I got out here this morning. I pulled all the braces and padding and stuff I had to hold the headliner up while the glue dried overnight, and it fell out on my head. So, excuse me. I guess we're going to do that over again. I don't know what, I don't know if it's getting too hot out here. It gets really hot here, and this truck is sitting right out in the sun. I don't know, beating down on the roof of this thing, it's probably, the metal's probably well over 100 degrees, so I'm not sure if that's affecting the glue or not. So it's early in the morning here right now. It's just a little past 7. The sun's already way up, but I'm going to give it another shot here this morning and see if we can get it to, stick this time. So, hang with me. We'll try it again. Okay, guys. Hey, it looks like the second time's a charm. I got it in there right away. Like 2 seconds, it was up there. I resprayed everything. I really sprayed the crap out of it this time. Let it set up for a couple minutes till it got tacky, stuck it up there, and it's up there just as tight as can be. So we're going to go ahead and start trying to fit the seal around the edge now today. So let's go ahead and get going with that. Okay, guys. Hey, we got the gasket around the headliner. Might be kind of hard to see this because it's a little better. I'm getting a lot of sun here, so there's a little bit better picture. I got those little wedges still in around the edge. The seal went on a lot better than I thought it would. I used a dry lube spray that I sprayed on it, but I don't recommend that you use that. It works real good, but it's messy, and it doesn't clean up well. You can kind of see maybe around the edges up in those cracks yet. I got to get up there and get that cleaned out. The overspray is kind of hard to clean, so I would suggest using like a vegetable oil spray, something like that, that you could just wipe off. Like I said, it worked good, but cleanup is kind of a problem. But it's in there. It looks good. I got to go around. I'm going to let this dry again overnight, make sure it's all good. And then you can see some spots where it's a little bit wider. What that is the edge of the roof itself is kind of bent in different places. So I'm going to go back around with my, rubber hammer and kind of bang that stuff up in there and get it a little bit more even. Should work out pretty good, but we got it in there. So, and I did think I tracked down in the last video. I talked about I was having a problem with my windshield wipers kept going on. I couldn't get them to work properly. Well, I found out you're supposed to hook the flasher to the accessory part of the ignition switch. Well, when I hook it to that on my ignition switch here, they power up right away. So I did some testing and found out that the ignition switch, which is brand new, is faulty because the AC stays on even without the keys in it. So I'm gonna have to get another switch and start all over with that. But that seems to be the problem with that. So let's kind of just move on here a little bit. One more little pass through everything there so you can see, and then we'll just go ahead and end this video. Okay, folks, let's go ahead and end this little video. We got the headliner in. I guess that was successful. Hopefully tomorrow when I come out, it won't be flopped down like it was this morning. But with that, I would ask you to please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, if you like the videos, and leave comments down below. So with that, I just want to say thanks for watching.